Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 22 of our chemistry course, Industrial Chemistry, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 22, Industrial Chemistry, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into importance of chemical industries in the economy, raw materials for chemical industries in Pakistan, chemical processes, addition and condensation polymerization, petrochemicals versus derived chemicals, fractional distillation and refining of petroleum, raw materials for petrochemical industry, identifying important fractions in petrochemical industry, basic building block processes in petrochemical technology, petrochemical process technology and major petrochemicals, types and applications of hair dyes, formation and uses of PVC and nylon, preparation and applications of cosmetics, types and applications of synthetic adhesives. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with the importance of chemical industries in the economy. This lesson discusses the crucial role chemical industries play in Pakistan's economy. Students will analyze how these industries contribute to economic growth, job creation, and overall development. Next, we'll discuss raw materials for chemical industries in Pakistan. Building on the understanding of the industry's importance, this lesson describes the raw materials available in Pakistan for various chemical industries. Following that, we'll cover chemical processes, addition and condensation polymerization. In this lesson, students will describe the chemical processes of addition and condensation polymerization. Understanding these processes is crucial for comprehending the production of polymers essential in various industrial applications. Next, we'll delve into petrochemicals versus derived chemicals. This lesson interprets the difference between petrochemicals and chemicals derived from them. Students will understand the distinctions and diverse applications of these two categories of chemical products. Then, we'll describe fractional distillation and refining of petroleum. Students will learn about the fractional distillation and refining of petroleum. Understanding these processes is essential for producing various petrochemicals from crude oil. We'll then move on to raw materials for the petrochemical industry. Building on the knowledge of petroleum refining, this lesson lists various raw materials used in the petrochemical industry. Next, we'll cover identifying important fractions in the petrochemical industry. This lesson identifies the significant fractions in the petrochemical industry. We'll also discuss basic building block processes in petrochemical technology. This lesson describes the fundamental chemical processes in petrochemical technology. Following that, we'll describe petrochemical process technology and major petrochemicals. Building on the knowledge of basic processes, this lesson delves into petrochemical process technology. Students will understand the complex technologies involved in converting raw materials into major petrochemical products and recognize their applications. We'll then explore types and applications of hair dyes. In this lesson, students will discuss the types and applications of hair dyes. Understanding the chemistry behind hair dyes and their applications in the cosmetic industry is essential for recognizing their significance. Next, we'll cover the formation and uses of PVC and nylon. Students will describe the formation and uses of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, and nylon. We'll then move on to the preparation and applications of cosmetics. This lesson covers the preparation and applications of various cosmetics such as nail varnish, nail polish remover, and lipsticks. Students will understand the chemical formulations of these products and their applications in the cosmetic industry. Finally, we'll describe types and applications of synthetic adhesives. The final lesson explains the types and applications of synthetic adhesives. Students will understand the different categories of synthetic adhesives and recognize their applications in various industrial and domestic settings. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 22 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.